Hold up, you gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending. Hold on, this one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. Everyone's hyped about this, and I was curious too. Turns out it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exactly what you'd hope for. Before it's too late, check the link in the description. You're gonna love it. Hold on, this one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup.